Florianopolis is a vibrant city located in the southern region of Brazil. Known for its stunning landscapes and breathtaking beaches, Florianopolis has become a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Using a drone, travelers can see stunning views of these landscapes from high above, showcasing the unique beauty of Florianopolis. The city offers a unique combination of natural beauty and urban development. With more than 40 beaches scattered along the coastline, Florianopolis is a paradise for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts. Tourism in Florianopolis has grown steadily over the years due to its natural beauty and charm. The city attracts travelers from all over the world who are looking for an authentic Brazilian experience. Travelers who have visited Florianopolis are often delighted with their experiences. The city offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget hostels.